The quiet before the storm is a metaphorical phrase often used to describe a period of calm or tranquility that precedes a significant or turbulent event. While this phrase is typically used in non-scientific contexts, we can explore some scientific concepts that might provide an explanation for such periods of calm before intense events occur. Here are a few potential scientific perspectives. Atmospheric phenomena. In meteorology, the calm before a storm can sometimes be attributed to specific atmospheric conditions. For example, before a thunderstorm, there may be a temporary lull in the wind, a decrease in temperature, or a change in atmospheric pressure. These factors may create a brief period of stillness before the storm intensifies. Earthquake precursors. Prior to some earthquakes, there can be a period of relative quiet or low seismic activity. However, scientists have been researching earthquake precursors and trying to identify signals that may indicate an impending earthquake. These precursors could include foreshocks, changes in groundwater levels, or variations in electromagnetic signals. While these indicators are still being studied, they may provide some insight into the quiet periods before seismic events. Biological signaling. In the natural world, certain organisms exhibit behaviors or physiological changes in response to imminent environmental changes. For example, animals may become unusually quiet or seek shelter before a storm or other disruptive event. This behavior could be attributed to their ability to sense changes in atmospheric conditions, electromagnetic fields, or other subtle environmental cues. Social dynamics. On a societal level, the calm before a storm can be seen in human interactions and collective behavior. Prior to significant social or political events, there may be a period of relative calm or silence as tensions build up or major shifts are about to occur. This can be attributed to various factors such as collective anticipation, strategic planning, or the gradual accumulation of pressures within a system. It's important to note that these scientific explanations are not universally applicable to all situations where the phrase, "quiet before the storm," is used metaphorically. The phrase is often employed in a figurative sense to describe various scenarios beyond the scope of scientific analysis. Therefore, it's essential to consider the context and intended meaning when interpreting this phrase.